Step into the Ford 2013 Explorer 4WD 4-door Limited. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 4-wheel disc brakes, AC, ABS, adjustable pedals, adjustable steering wheel, AM/FM stereo, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, automatic headlights and auxiliary audio input. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.